Hi, my name is Joseph or Juozapas. Recently I've been to a track day for the first time with this car, and I'd like to share my experience because it's not a very popular car to see around racetracks, but I find it quite fun. The car is Subaru Legacy 2004 Spec B with 3 liters of Japanese motor engineering. It produces around 245 horsepower. It also has 6-speed manual transmission from STI and a couple of mods to make the car a bit more fun and responsive. It's also my daily driver. It's not like the car only for the track. This is why I quite like it, because I can also go to the track with it and have some fun, but also it's a comfortable car for every day. So the track day started very early for us. Me, Laura and Benas left at around 5 a.m. Special thanks for you guys, because you made the track day a lot more fun. I didn't had enough sleep, as I remember, but I was quite excited, so that gave me fuel to drive. The car felt really nice around the track. It wasn't overheating. Changed some hoses and the radiator before. Also, the brakes felt really good. The brakes are upgraded. The car has Brembo 4-pot calipers up front from STI with bigger discs and Ferrado pads. Also have a master cylinder brace. Unfortunately, yes, I had some understeer and a lot of body roll, so I'm planning to fix that in the future. I should have taken the summer tires as well. Before the track day I checked the weather and it was 0 or 1+ degrees, so I decided to just go with my daily winter tires, but as I found out, it was too warm for them. So yeah, that's the day. My lap time was, for me, I think pretty good. It was around in the middle comparing all the classes. I will upgrade the car a little bit and go again. So if you have any questions about the car or just want to talk about Subarus on track, write something in the comments and I will reply, and thanks for watching.